Crazy Dan, representing the One Love Kitchen. One Love Kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell with a real Jamaican style. Yeah, like, share, subscribe to One Love Kitchen. One Love family will teach you guys how to cook rice and chicken. Click the bell icon and get notified. One Love in the kitchen.
Hello family, welcome back to the channel. Guys, today I'm cooking some chicken foot, brown stew chicken foot. Yes, a lot of people call it chicken feet, chicken foot. Grajas, we call it chicken foot. So I'll be brown stewing some chicken foot today, and I know a lot of you probably like it curry, but today I'll be doing it brown stew. Yes, and I'm gonna season this baby properly. I'm using a variety of seasoning and pepper and ginger. All I use me browning this much my ginger because this are really yardie stuff. So me brown up my chicken foot, and I won't be using a lot of browning because I don't want it black. I just need to have that nice pretty color. I went in and threw some chicken neck in this. Yeah, but I'll be taking out the chicken neck before I start browning the chicken foot, because you can see, because the chicken foot is a little harder than the neck. So somewhere in between I'll be putting back the chicken neck in. So I just pour everything inside my hot oil, and now we're just gonna stir this around, let it get some color of its own, and then chicken foot go bubble. In the meantime, between time, guys, we're just gonna cover up this for a few minutes, and then we're gonna pour some water in it. What I wanted to tell you, when I'm doing my chicken foot, I always have some warm water at the side so I can pour in whenever needed, because I think the warm water helps it cook faster instead of putting cold water inside of this. So there you go. Everything is simmering. Everything is bubbling. Everything is boiling down. You see it's getting this nice caramel color. Look at that. And when I tell you this chicken foot is well seasoned, I season my chicken foot properly and put a hot pepper in this, one full hot pepper in this. So there's no joke around here. So now I'm just gonna go in with some water. As I said, I'm using the warm water, but I'm just gonna mix this round a little. And the same bowl you use to season your meat or your chicken foot, I just use my bowl, because you remember all the spice and everything is up in it. So I'm just gonna wash it out with some water and just pour that on that and let that simmer down. So every time your water dries down, you can just add more water, because this is what I'll be doing until my chicken foot is ready. Alrighty guys, so after a few minutes, as you can see, that water is being reduced, and we're going to continue pour more water until our chicken foot is cooked to our desired salt. You understand? So yeah, so that's the process. We're just gonna pour water. Once that dries out, we pour more until it's cooked. In the meantime, let's go cut some veggies. You remember that I showed you my pak choi Sunday? I'm eating chicken foot with some pak choi. Look how big these are. You know, it's a different feeling when you plant your own stuff and you're eating it. It just gives you that, like, a weird, nice feeling. This is how I'm feeling today. Look how big this is. Look at that. You can see the dirt is coming straight from the garden. Let's wash these up and get prepped. So I wash my pak choy, and now I'm just gonna chunk them. I don't know how you do yours, but a lot of people cut theirs fine, like, fine, but I like to chunk my pak choy because this cooks like under 5 minutes. 5 minutes even too long for this. I normally just rough chop them. As you can see, I chop them big because I just drop them in the pot, and like 4 minutes, boom, I'm done. Because I like, when I'm eating my veggies, I still get that crunch from it. I don't overcook my veggies. So this is how I cut them, in large chunks, and I'm just gonna finish up everything, continue chopping up everything, and just season them up lightly. I won't be using like a lot of seasoning on this, like a little carrot, some peppers and stuff, a little bit of seasoning. I don't use butter in this also, because This is vegetable. You can just eat this as is. So I'm just continuing to rough chop all the veggies that's here. My pak choy from my garden. Eat what you grow and grow what you eat. It's just a different feeling, guys. I'm not lying to you. It's like a different feeling when you plant something and then you're cooking it. It's like the best thing on the, and I still have like a lot more outside, and I even have a cabbage that I think I showed you. No, I didn't show you the cabbage, but the cabbage, they're very small. Yeah, but don't worry, you'll have a lot of green veggies in the summer coming from my backyard, because I'll be cooking all these veggies up from my backyard garden, because I like this. I just like fresh stuff, and it's healthier. You know where it's coming from. Look how green the leaves are. No fertilizer, no chemical, no nothing, because I just planted these and I just water them. Basically, that's it. I plant them, water them, and just leave them until they're ready. So these are all natural or all organic pak choy. So I'm just gonna finish chopping up everything and put this. But you know the funny thing, a lot of people don't like pak choy. They rather cabbage or lettuce or callaloo. I know most people like callaloo, and I'll be having callaloo also. Yes, I'm just waiting for the rain to start falling so my callaloo can start growing. Yes, but I'll be having callaloo. So it's gonna be fun in the summer with my backyard garden. Look at that. I got a full bowl of veggies from my garden, and I still have more. This is what I'm talking. All right, so I'm just gonna go in with some carrots and some peppers to just top that off with. And as I mentioned before, I won't be using a lot of season or maybe any season at all on this, because I don't want to I don't want to ruin this goodness. This is all organic. I don't want to ruin it. So maybe I just add some veggies to this and just steam this down for like 5 minutes or less, as mentioned, because I like the veggies crunchy. I want to hear that crunch in my pak choy. Yes. So maybe I don't put any seasoning in this. So I'm just gonna cut the carrots thinly in lengthwise, because the carrot cook a little longer, but we still can have the carrots raw anyways, so we don't need to like overcook these or anything. So I'm just gonna add that. It's like a mountain of veggies. I think this is gonna be really good with my chicken foot. Can you imagine? My chicken foot is bubbling away. My green pak choy from my garden. What better dinner you want than that? All natural dinner. Yes, guys. And guys, I want to thank you again so much for subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell. Remember, every time I upload a video, you can get notified. Okay, so remember to share up the channel and like up the channel and comment under the videos. Yes, guys. Yes, don't be shy to comment underneath the video, and don't be shy to like up the videos. Yes. Oh, I'm going with some thyme. I'm gonna put some thyme in it and a piece of garlic. Yes, I'm just using my knife to just smash that. Real cooking. Yeah, that's how we do it. We just smash that. Yes, guys. So now I'm just gonna get a pot ready to steam my veggies in, and we're gonna check back and see what's going on with our chicken foot. Look here, look here, look here. Hey, look here, look here, look here. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I put my chicken neck halfway in, because the chicken neck cook faster. But guys, look at this goodness. Guys, dinner is officially finished. You know what would be good with this? Some roast breadfruit. Yes, some roast breadfruit. But guys, I'm going to enjoy my meal. Remember, this weekend is coming up. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Until then.